Buenos dias, amigos, amigas. Early in the morning, and I know that if I needed to go to get milk or something like that, I could go to a 24-hour Guadalajara pharmacy, which is nearby. There's also 24-hour banking nearby, but I don't need those things right now. But I'm going to be going out to Chapala, the town of Chapala, and the town of San Nicolas de Ibarra. And this is my drive outside of the gated community in which I live in. Nice and peaceful here. Very quiet. Okay. And on the way, I'm going to show you how close I am to Walmart's. Now, in the center of the frame, you can't see it, but that is Pranzo Restaurant. Very nice restaurant. You can see someone's already out here walking, getting some morning exercise. You can see the sculpture there. It's a big sculpture, multicolored sculpture. And all I need to do is wait for the light to turn green. Now, if you go to the right, you can faintly see in the center of the frame the new cultural center. It's right just 2 blocks from my gated community. It's right there. I had shot a video there, and you'll be more into Central Ajijic. But I want to show you where Walmart's is, for those who aren't aware. And this is going eastbound. Beautiful community here. South, this is. Okay, I do have a green light. And to my right is South Floresta on the south side of the Carretera. And to my left is Upper La Floresta. So actually it's Lower La Floresta to my right, and to our right, and Upper La Floresta to my left. Okay. We're going to be in San Antonio in just a minute, less than a minute. You're going to see the Libramento, which you can catch. Well, first let's talk about Walmart. You're going to have AutoZone on the right. Of course, it's not open yet. You're going to have Domino's Pizza to the right. AutoZone, you're going to have Walmart's. Now this, if you want to turn, you turn up here, here's Central Laguna Mall, up in here, up there. And that's another way you can get to Chapala and Guadalajara. Okay? More development here. Apartments for rent. Right here, we are now in San Antonio. We did actually when we got up to the Libramento Highway. Breakfast restaurants here. Organic restaurant here. Super Lake Market. Of course, it's not open yet. Insurance agent there. A lot of expats like to use those places. All these places here, restaurants. Okay, we're going to be coming up on the golf course. So, for those who aren't aware, Chula Vista Golf Course is coming up. Here's an OXXO. Very popular store, open late. I think they're open 24 hours. Now, at least I know some are. 24-hour Guadalajara Pharmacy here. Hospital San Antonio. Clinics here. To my left is the Chula Vista Golf Course. And, we can't see it of course, and 2 tennis courts there at Chula Vista. Okay, so, pretty soon, well, also let you know, I forgot to say, the bike path goes all along here. Now, the bike path you can take from Jacotepec through all the towns to Ajijic and all the way to the town of Chapala. So, letting you know that. I had an e-bike for 6 weeks. I rented. Absolutely loved it. And I do have e-bike videos when I was on the e-bike. So, we're almost in Rabiers del Pilar. Pretty soon, I'm going to cut this video. Thanks for viewing. Tap on the notification bell, and you'll be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks for viewing.